Every one of us are born with a dream.
A dream that one day will shape the world.
Our dreams and destinations are woven together.
Our lives are spent in comparison. Study like her, earn like her, get married to the person your parents point to. We are told what to do by everyone around us.
But most of us don't give importance to our own dreams. Instead, we live the dreams of others.
Becoming puppets for the dreams of others. What about our dreams?
But I was determined. I chased my dreams.
I searched within myself to find out my passion and where my heart truly lies.
Today, I'm one of the leading interior designers.
Now, I'm a senior game designer in the world's best animation studio.
We faced all the challenges that came our way
And studied the course we love.
in the institution of our choice.
We are settled in good positions with a good salary.
Dreams move the world. Dreams shape the world.
Thanks to
Dreamzone.